For years, I thought the only way to stop living paycheck to paycheck was to make more money. Just get a raise. Start a side hustle. Work harder. That's what everyone said. But what if I told you that I finally broke free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle without earning a single extra dollar? No fancy side hustle. No big promotion. No lottery ticket. Just smarter money moves that changed everything. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step, so you can do it too, no matter how much you make right now. One, I stopped guessing and faced my real numbers. First things first, I had to get brutally honest. I printed my last 3 months of bank statements, grabbed a highlighter, and categorized every single transaction: rent, food, subscriptions, just one coffee, which turned out to be 17 coffees. Random Amazon buys I didn't even remember. Seeing my spending in black and white was a shock, but it was also empowering. Because now I wasn't guessing. I was dealing with reality. 2, I switched from budgeting to a priority plan. I had tried budgeting before, it always failed. Why? Because it felt restrictive, like a diet I couldn't wait to cheat on. Instead, I created a priority plan, a simple system where every dollar had a mission. Needs: rent, groceries, utilities. Stability, emergency fund, debt. Freedom, investments, future goals. Guilt-free fun, yes, even during struggle. I gave each category a percentage and stuck to it with automation. It wasn't about cutting out joy. It was about being intentional. 3, I made invisible money work for me. You know how money burns a hole in your pocket? Yeah, mine did that too until I made it invisible. I opened a second checking account and set up auto transfers. $50 week to emergency fund, $25 week to Roth IRA, $10 week to sinking fund for yearly expenses, like holidays and car tags. I never saw that money in my main account, so I never missed it. Small amounts, big shift. 4, I canceled these 3 expenses with zero pain. Most advice says cut lattes or stop Netflix. I say keep what you love, cut what you forgot you had. Here's what I ditched. A gym membership I hadn't used in 4 months. Overlapping streaming platforms. Random app subscriptions. I was paying $8 a month for a meditation app I didn't even use. I saved $120 a month with zero lifestyle sacrifice. 5, I built a mini emergency buffer fast. Living paycheck to paycheck means every small emergency feels like a crisis. So I made it my mission to build a $1,000 emergency buffer without side hustling or overtime. How? Sold unused stuff on Facebook Marketplace, $230. Cooked at home, 5 extra nights per week, 40 weeks saved. Did a no-spend weekend challenge for 4 weeks, 100 plus saved. Within 6 weeks, I had over $100 in a high-yield savings account. 6, I made my bills work on my schedule. You ever get hit with 4 bills the week before payday? Yeah, that used to crush me until I called each provider and asked to move my billing dates. Utilities, phone, insurance, most of them said yes. Now my bills are evenly spread out across my pay periods. No more end-of-month panic. It takes 30 minutes to do this and will save you hundreds in overdraft fees. The mindset shift. I stopped thinking more money and started thinking more control. The turning point wasn't financial. It was mental. I realized I didn't need more money, I needed better control over what I already had. Most people wait for the perfect moment to fix their finances. I'll start when I get a raise after the holidays when life slows down. But the truth is, the perfect time is when you're sick of feeling stuck. That's when real change begins. Freedom without a raise is possible. Escaping the paycheck to paycheck trap didn't come from earning more. It came from finally taking control. I started small. I used what I had, and I kept going even when it was hard. Today, I'm no longer stressed on payday. I'm building savings. I have a plan. I feel free. And you can too. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right and still falling behind, I promise there's another way. This is your sign to stop surviving and start building, even without a raise. Drop a comment below.